What is it about traveling that you miss the most? Is it the opportunity to relax and recharge? Is it a place that you would like to explore and discover? Is it a new culture that you would like to learn? Or is it something as simple as trying out some unique cafes that offer the best and most flavorful coffee? How about traveling through coffee? Here are some fun and unique ideas on how to make easy coffee-based beverages that you can enjoy during every meal. Travel to Korea with the whipped coffee, also known as Korean dalgona. This coffee is fluffy and creamy with a Korean-style twist that you can prepare easily and drink as your everyday coffee. Travel to the USA with New Orleans coffee. This coffee uses chicory as its special ingredient, which transforms an ordinary pot of drip coffee into a thick and rich brew with a distinctive chocolate caramel flavor. Travel to India with Delhi-style cold coffee. Essentially a caffeinated milkshake that is made by blending instant coffee with milk, sugar, and ice. A cold coffee drink that is very popular in India. Travel to Sweden with Swedish egg coffee. You can make this traditional Scandinavian coffee by adding raw egg to coffee grounds, mixing it with water, boiling it, and straining it for an incredibly smooth, non-bitter cup. Travel to Thailand with Thai iced coffee. This coffee does not require the use of a blender. All you need is strongly brewed coffee, sweetened condensed milk, and evaporated milk or heavy cream. Travel to Spain with Café con Leche. The Spanish-style Café con Leche is a hot espresso drink with steamed milk. Travel to Mexico with Mexican coffee. Mexican coffee tastes like the perfect combination of hot chocolate and coffee with added cinnamon spice. Did you miss traveling even more? Tell us about it in our comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can be updated with all of our newest videos.